Addition of two-digit number with regrouping. Hudson and Eddie were friends. In their school, there are 37 students in grade 5. 18 more students joined them. Eddie uses bundle of sticks and loose sticks to find the total number of students in grade 5. She first added the digits in the ones place, that is, the loose sticks. 37 students, 18 students. There are more than 10 loose sticks, so tie 10 loose sticks together to get another bundle of 10. There are 5 bundles of 10 sticks and 5 loose sticks. So, there are 55 sticks in total. 37 plus 18 is equal to 55. The same numbers can be added using the place value table. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in the place value table. Tens, 3, 1, ones, 7, 8. Step 2. Add the digits in the ones place. Here, 7 ones and 8 ones is equal to 110 plus 5 ones. If the sum of the digits in the ones place is 10 or more, carry over the tens to the tens place. Step 3. Add the digits in the tens place. 110 carried over plus 3 tens plus 110 is equal to 5 tens. So, 37 plus 18 is equal to 55. 65 plus 58. First arrange the numbers one below the other in the place value table. Now, add the digits in the ones place. Here, 5 ones and 8 ones is equal to 110 plus 3 ones. If the sum of the digits in the ones place is 10 or more, carry over the tens to the tens place and 3 in the ones column. Add the digits in the tens place. 110 carried over plus 6 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 12 tens. Put 12 in the tens column. The sum of 65 and 58 is 123. 65 and 58 are called addends. 123 is called sum or total. Let us recall. Arrange the numbers in the place value table. Add the digits in the ones place. If the sum of the digits in the ones place is 10 or more, carry over the tens to the tens place. Add the digits in the tens place.